Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide. Hey there, HR professionals. Are you looking for the video to how to log into the Breathe HR website? Just watch this complete tutorial video in order to log into the Breathe HR website. First, you need to go to the search bar of Google and type Breathe HR login. As you can see, there are many search results. In order to log in, you have to click on this login to Breathe link. And you will be redirected to the login page of Breathe HR. Here you can see a form where you have to fill email address and password. If you haven't signed up yet, you can click on the sign up button and register. Let me fill email address as teamuser@gmail.com. And after filling this email, you need to fill the password. You have to fill the password of your account. If you have forgotten it, you can click on this forgot your password. Else, click on this login button, and if all the credentials are correct, you will be logged in this website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.